right, left, right, kick, back, touch, side, together, side, touch, side, together, side, touch, back, 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 front, front, back, front, and grapevine, grapevine. That is the whole dance. Hi, I am adapting line dances to 70s hits, both disco and 70s country music. Line dancing as we know it today wasn't really a thing yet in the 70s, although there was country dancing. It was done a little differently than what we see today. But I have a really fun dance to the Allman Brothers Ramblin' Man, huge 70s hit. So I'm going to do the tutorial with my back to the camera because it's a little easier to follow what my legs are doing. Okay, so this one starts, we're going to walk forward with a kick. So right, left, right, kick. And our left foot is free to take to take the step back now. So then back, left, right, left, touch. Okay? So that is, and you know what, I know I said I was going to do it with my back too, but maybe it's easier to see it this way. So right, right, kick, back, touch. Okay? So that is the first part of the dance. And then we're just going to go side, together, side, touch, then to the other side. Side, together, side, touch. Okay, so then those two parts together, right, left, kick, left, left, touch. Side, together, side, touch. Side, together, side, touch. Okay, and now this next part I'm going to I'll show it with my back to you and then I'll turn sideways. Now this part, you just did the touch. So then your weight's on your left foot, so then you step back with your right, and this is all just hips. So you go back 2 times, forward 2 times, and then go back, forward, back, forward. So from the side, so you just did the touch here, you put your foot behind you, and then you go back twice, front twice, then back, front, okay? So those 3 parts together. So walking forward, right, kick, back, touch, side, together, side, touch, side, together, side, touch. Then the hips, back, front, back, front. So here, and then you're gonna do a grapevine to the left. So your weight should be on your left foot, so your right foot is free to take a step out. So then the grapevine is out, back behind, out, together, and then the other way. So step out to the side, put your right foot behind you now, then out again, together. So, and again, so we did the back, front, and when you do that front hip, that's when your weight is on your left foot, and then you do the grapevine. Okay, and that is the whole dance. So those 4 parts together, I will show. Walking forward, right, left, kick, back, touch, side, together, side, touch, side, together, side, touch, back, front, back, and grapevine. That is the whole dance. Now, once you get that down, like I said, we're doing, I'm kind of adapting these to line dances. Now, line dances today, you see usually people doing wall changes, which means they'll start this way, and they turn around. It's the same choreography facing each of the 4 walls, but if you're new to line dancing, it can seem a bit confusing. So you can do the whole dance doing it just the way I did, facing one direction, but once you get confident with that, if you want to try it with the wall changes, I'll show you what they look like. So, and where the wall change would come is when you did the last part of the dance, the grapevine, you do the grapevine to the right. And then when you do the grapevine to the left, you're going to be turning a quarter turn to your left. So then you would do the grapevine to the left. And then you can kind of bring your foot forward. That's called a scuff if you do this. and then you're ready to step right, left, right. So again, so that's, you can do this scuff or not. It just, especially when you're doing the wall changes, it kind of helps plant you on the right foot. So that would be the grapevine to the right, grapevine to the left of the scuff, then walk, walk, walk. So I'm gonna go ahead and demo all 4 wall changes just so you can see what that looks like. So walking forward, right, left, right, kick, back, touch, side together, side, touch, side together, side, touch, hips, back, back, front, front, back, front, and grapevine. Grapevine with the turn and scuff. Walk, 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 kick, back, side together, side, touch, side together, side, touch, hips, back, back, front, front, back, front, and grapevine to the right. Grapevine to the left of the turn and scuff. Walk, 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 kick, back, touch, side together, side, touch, side together, side, touch, hips, back, back, front, front, back, front, and grapevine to the right. Grapevine to the left of the turn and scuff. Walk, 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 kick, back, touch, side together, side, touch, side together, side, touch, hips, back, back, front, front, back, front, and grapevine. Grapevine with the turn. Okay, so that is the whole dance. Once you get comfortable with the steps, I'm going to go ahead and put a short demo of the dance to music in the description below, so you can go ahead and try it with the music. And if you find these videos at all helpful, I would love it if you subscribed.